In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva in just 5 minutes. Let's start by visiting Canva's homepage. Once you're there, go ahead and locate the login button, usually found at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on that and log in using your preferred credentials. Canva offers a variety of login methods, so you can use your Google account, Facebook, or simply your email. Choose whichever is most convenient for you. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you should see all your recent projects displayed. Browse through them and select the project you want to work with today. Simply click on the project and Canva will open it up for you in a new page. Once your project is open and loaded, take a moment to locate the closed lock symbol towards the upper right corner of your page. This icon indicates that your page or certain elements on it are currently locked and they cannot be edited until unlocked. If you wish to make changes to the entire page, click on this lock symbol and it should toggle to an unlocked state. When the lock is open, it means you're free to make the edits you need across the entire page. However, there may be instances where you encounter a pen and lock icon. This specific icon signifies that you can only replace elements on the page but not move or delete them. It's a subtle detail, yet it significantly impacts what you can and cannot change in your design. In such cases, you'll probably need to unlock each element individually to have complete control over your design. Simply click on any locked element and look for an unlock option that you can toggle to gain full editing capabilities. It's essential to be patient, especially if you're working with a rather intricate design where multiple elements may be locked. Take it one step at a time and ensure that you unlock only those elements you truly need to modify. Unlocking elements unnecessarily might complicate your design process, so it's always a good idea to double check which parts actually require editing. That's it. As you can see, unlocking a page or its elements in Canva is straightforward once you've familiarized yourself with the interface and the icons involved. Whether you're adjusting a minor detail or revamping an entire page, these steps will help you efficiently manage your design projects. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial and happy designing with Canva.